There we go. So let's take it up, start the video. Well, isn't that nice? Start the video and something happens. Happy New Year to everybody. We're back in the office today. It's January the 3rd. And we're looking at the DJI FLY app. Just came out a few days ago with an update, 1.2.2. I'm trying to get it to work with my tablet. And if you've seen some of my videos, you know that 1.1.9 works great with my tablet. I just don't get the updates. But we tried 1.2.0, 1.2.1. None of them worked. They just cycled. So now we've installed, as you can see here, we've installed 1.2.2. We're going to see if that's any better. Keep your fingers crossed. Let's get into it. So I installed the app, and as you can see, you come to the main screen. Once you get into that, I must say something here though. I did a few dry runs without plugging the craft in and without the controller, and what happened was I got a black screen again, and it cycled through the same scenarios as it did the last time. However, this time I figured, well, let me plug it into the actual craft. So I did that. So I fired up the Mavic Mini, and then I fired up the controller, and it recognized and started the DJI app, and here's a little clip, and voila, it seemed to work. So I was really happy. So we've got video feed, we got FPV, we can use the camera up and down, I can change all the formats, the camera settings, everything great. So time to take it outside. Okay, I'm hoping for a great flight. I take it up. As you can see here, as you saw at the beginning of this video, it was flying great, no problem. As soon as I started the video, it crashed. It didn't crash. I still had control. I just had no video feed. So then I brought it back inside, and I went over all the video settings. I went from 2.7, 1080p, 25 frames, 30 frames, everything. Every time I entered into video, the FPV crashed out. So then I looked into the files that were on the tablet, the cache files, to see if it actually took a video. And as you can see here, I took a screenshot. A multitude of video files were captured, but they're all corrupt. None of them work. So something happened when I hit that video, start video, something happened. So conclusion, 1.2.2 sort of works. At least it works better than 1.2.0 or 1.2.1, but for my Teclast P80 Pro tablet, it's a no-go. I can't use the added features, so I have to go back to 1.1.9. So there you go. Another strikeout for DJI FLY. Maybe 1.3 will be a better deal. Anyway, I'll keep trying. I'll keep you informed. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. And again, Happy New Year.